welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's talk about 5 thumb rules of personal finance which will help you to do your calculations quickly and easily. The first rule is 4% withdrawal rule. 4% withdrawal rule is used in context of retirement planning. It says that you can withdraw a maximum of 4% of your total retirement corpus every year and use it for your monthly expenses. Obviously, as time passes, the rate of inflation also increases and you would need more money to fund your expenses. So, you can increase your rate of withdrawal in line with inflation. For example, let's say you have a corpus of 1 crore. Then in the first year of your retirement, you will take out 4% which is 4 lakhs and you will spend it on your monthly expenses, right? In the second year, let's say you have an inflation of 6%. You are experiencing an inflation of 6%. Then you can withdraw 4 lakh rupees which is 4% plus on top 6% inflation of this 4 lakhs which is 24,000. So in the second year you will withdraw 4 lakh 24,000 rupees and so on. As the time passes, inflation increases and your withdrawal amount also increases in line with that. If you continue doing this, then your total retirement corpus will last for approximately 25 to 30 years. This 4% withdrawal rule is proposed by William Benjamin, a financial advisor in 1990s based upon historical data. He has made some assumptions while proposing this, such as that from your total corpus 50% is invested in equities, 50% is invested in safe assets such as debt funds, etc. Obviously, your corpus might be split in a different way. Your portfolio might be different. And you might also plan to retire early. You might want to attain financial freedom by the time you are 40 or 50. Then you would need a much larger corpus because it has to last longer than 25 to 30 years. So if you want to find out what is your custom number for your particular portfolio and for your particular retirement age, then do watch my video on 14th of August about financial freedom. In this video, I'll talk about how to calculate this custom number quickly. Now, moving on to rule number 2, rule of 70. This is used to calculate inflation. Based on historical data, Indian inflation is anywhere between 6 to 7% on an average. So, obviously the cost of things is bound to increase. But how long will it take for cost of things to double? For example, this table has costed me 5,000. In how many years will it become 10,000? If I want to determine that, then I can use this rule of 70. You just have to divide 70 by the rate of inflation, then it will give you the number of years it will take for the cost of a particular good to double. For example, if 7% is average inflation, then 70 by 7 is 10 years. So it will take 10 years for this table to become 10,000 rupees from 5,000. This is rule of 70. Similarly, rule number 3 is rule of 72. Rule of 70 and rule of 72 are very similar. What rule of 72 talks about is how much time will it take for your investment to double. For example, I have invested 1 lakh rupees in a mutual fund and they have quoted the rate of return as 12%, right? So how long will it take for my corpus to become 2 lakhs is what I would want to know. Then I simply have to divide 72 with my expected rate of return and it will give me the number of years. So 72 by 12 is 6 years. So it will take 6 years for my investment to become 2 lakhs. Now let's talk about rule of 114. This rule talks about the amount of time it takes for an investment to become triple. For example, let's talk about same investment which I did in mutual funds, 1 lakh rupees, right? I did it now. Then how many years would it take for the investment to triple? As I already know the rate of return is 12%, what I need to do is simply divide 114 by 12%. So it will give me approximately 9 to 9.5 years. So it will take 9 to 9.5 years for my 1 lakh rupees to triple and become 3 lakh rupees. This is rule of 114. Now let's move on to the final rule, rule number 5, rule of 144. This rule talks about the amount of time it takes for an investment to become 4 times, quadruple. Again the same method, just divide 144 with the expected rate of return, which is 12%. It will give me 12 years. So it will take 12 years for my investment to become from 1 lakh rupees to 4 lakh rupees. This is rule of 144. Now let's quickly recap the 5 rules we talked about. Rule number 1 is 4% withdrawal rule. It talks about retirement. As I said earlier in the video as well, do watch my video on 14th of August about financial freedom. In this video, I'll show you how to find your magic number for retirement, for your customized portfolio and customized retirement age as well. The second rule is about inflation, rule of 70. Third, fourth and fifth rules are about how to calculate the amount of time it will take for your investment to double, triple and quadruple. Rule of 72, 114 and 144. If you like the content in this video, please like this video and comment on it. Also, please share it with your friends and subscribe to Money Nook. And don't forget to watch my video on 14th of August about financial freedom. Thank you and bye bye.